Hello viewers, welcome to my Doctor Who themed YouTube channel, Who Ventures, and in this video we've got Amy Pond. I found her in the supermarket. She was the only one on the shelf, so I didn't get to check the paint job, but I think it's okay. This is her in the box. So I've just got to get the drone and the Weeping Angel regenerating, and then I would have the wave. All wave one. Here there's Amy, so shall we open her up? Yay! Let's get the box open. And let's proceed with the twisty tags. I do have the flight control Tardis, as you can see. I might show you a bit when we've looked at Amy. There's some excellent reviews of it and unboxings, so go have a look at them. So here she is, here's Amy. So skirt's nice and soft. I don't know what to say. Here, Amy necklace doesn't have an A, it's more of a blob. And I'm not sure about how they sculpted that bit on the hair. But yeah, it's Amy Pond. She can't really put her legs up very well because of the skirt. Put it back like that. I think the likeness is fairly okay. I can't see a badge what though, because I like that bit on her costume in Victory the Doll, because there's a little brooch on her jacket, but you can't actually see it. But yeah, the arm goes around like that, and you bend it around like that. So yeah, let's put her with Matt. Yeah, there's heart thing there. So all we need now is the lovely, wonderful Rory. They should do a 2-pack of Rory and wonderful, amazing, loving Roranicus. So as an extra, I'll just show you the flight control Tardis. And yeah. Goes on a bit. Yeah. Ta-da, escape. Yeah, it did it. Let's take off towel. That's the door sound when you go Tardis, so mysterious. And like that. that looks cool. That is your little Amy Pond figure review. I'd say get it because it's really cool. Yay. So yeah, thank you for watching. Yay.